It was completely gutted in a massive fire. The 12th floor of the new koilaghat building of Eastern Railway was destroyed and condemned. In stepped Arun Arora, general manager of the Eastern Railway. I thought so much of space is being wasted and throughout of ways to utilize it, Arora said. The general manager of Eastern Railway sat down with his team and devised the ambitious plan. With a few months, the once condemned and destroyed floor got a complete makeover and one has to see it to believe it. Arora and Eastern Railway team, along with his wife Madhu Arora, Chief General Manager of West Bengal Telecom, sat on puja before its inauguration. By a staff reporter, ANM News, Kolkata.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.